it's time to multiply radical expressions this time. And we are just going to start by writing some steps. All right. Step 1, you're going to multiply the coefficients. Okay, that's the first thing. So you're going to do that using the laws of exponents and any other rules that you need to use. You're going to multiply the inside of radicals with the same index. So that means you can't multiply a square root by a cube root. But if you have the same index, you can multiply the inside. And then you're going to simplify the resulting radical. So let's do a simple-ish example to begin. 3 root 10 times negative 2 root 18. So like I said, you're going to multiply the coefficients. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. We have the same index. They're both square roots, so we're going to multiply the insides. 180. And then from there, we're going to simplify. So 180 is 9 times 20. I already know this one's a perfect square, so I'm going to keep it there. 20 is 4 and 5, and hey, that's another perfect square. So remember, these are like mini square roots. And now we're going to go through and fill in everything. So we have negative 6 that we began with. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. And we have left the square root of 5. Multiply all these. Negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. Negative 18 times 2 is negative 36 root 5. So that's the deal with multiplying radical expressions. So let's do one more that does not have variables. All right, I would recommend that you pause the video and try this problem and then come back and check your answer. Welcome back. All right, so the rule is that we need to multiply the coefficients. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. They have the same index, so we're going to multiply the inside. 64 times 8 is 512. Now again, I do not have the fourth root things memorized, so I'm going to go and do this long style. So 512 divided by, obviously 64 and 8 will work because we just multiplied those together. 64 divided by 4 should be 16, and 8 is 4 and 2. I'm going to go all the way down for this one. 4 and 4, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, another 2 and 2, this is a lot, and the last 2 right there. I'm going to do this the more complicated way to me, but it works better for me for this kind. I'm going to count up all my 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more. And since it's a fourth root, we need to take out groups of 4. So that's a group of 4. 3 times 2. There's a group of 4 times another 2. And the fourth root of 2, because that does not have enough. 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. So 12 times the fourth root of 2. So multiply and simplify. That's basically the process. Let's do one with variables now. All right, so we have the cube root of negative 3 a to the 7th b to the 4th times the cube root of 36 a to the 6th b squared. So we're going to multiply coefficients, but we don't have any, so that's just 1. And now we're going to multiply the stuff inside. So we have negative 3 times 36, which is 108, negative 108. We have a and b, and when we're multiplying, we add exponents. So 7 plus 6 is 13, and 4 plus 2 is 6. At this point, we simplify. So go ahead and simplify, and then pause the video and simplify, and then come back. All right, so I just went through and got everything into perfect cubes or not, and now I'm going to go through and fix those. So the cube root of negative 27 is one I have memorized. That's negative 3. The cube root of a to the 12th should be a to the 4th. Divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. The cube root of b to the 6th is b squared, because 6 divided by 3 is 2. And now we're going to go ahead and write our leftovers. We have 4 and a. And that's it. Hopefully you got it right. If you have any other questions, let me know.